All right, so this is the studio that I finished. Somebody had rented this, and it looks pretty good. Cleaned up pretty good. There's the kitchen, new fridge, cabinets painted, a little formica up, new floors, no doors, fridge, nice. I mean, it shined up pretty good. Didn't take them long to rent this place. Closets here. Nothing exciting. Bathroom turned out pretty good, you know, new vanity, new medicine cabinets, same old shitty light. Toilet's the same. Tub cleaned up pretty good, new bath cabinet. Tub came out pretty good, you know. This is what you get for $1,000 a month in this fair city. Heat and hot water included. But it's a nice little, it's nice and clean, you know. Seen a lot worse out there. It's the living room, new light. Door fixed up. There's the door here for the bathroom. Came out pretty good, you know. Painter could use a little caulk once in a while, but, you know. This is the little bedroom here. No doors, but it cleaned up nice. Back deck. So that's that. Not a bad little unit. $1,000 a month. Not bad. He went for the new floors here. You can see so what I had to do was I put a new plywood top on there and glued the shit out of it. And then you can see where I put a 2x4 on the top and screwed all these plywood into that. So, and these cabinets aren't going anywhere. They're solid because the top's not going anywhere. And with the plywood on top and the new 2x, you can see that there. Everything will be fine. So that's that. If you like, hit subscribe and hit like, and I'll see you next time on the 2-bedroom walkthrough that I'm going to go show now. That's all been done too. Thank you.